In this tutorial, I will see how many speakers are on your iPhone 16 model and where the speakers are located. I will also discuss important settings to fix low volume level, either on the left or right speakers. I am playing podcast on my iPhone. As you can listen, sound is coming from both the top speaker assigned as the right speaker and the bottom speaker assigned as the left speaker, as I blocking both top and bottom speaker with my fingers. No sound coming from iPhone. As I lift up finger from bottom left speaker, I can listen podcast, but not affecting on bottom left side speaker. That means one speaker in on the right bottom side only. When I lift up my finger from top speaker, I can listen podcast clearly. That means my top speaker is working as expected. If any of the speaker is not working or low volume, then I recommend to check the balance volume level settings. Please remember to share any helpful workarounds you find in the comment box. Your contributions can really make a difference to the community. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Accessibility Settings, and again scroll to the Audio/Visual section. Scroll to last and jump to the Balance section. As I can see the slider given here. If I move the slider to the left side, it means the left speaker is only working, called the bottom speaker. If I move the slider to the right side, then the right speaker is only working, called the ear speaker at the top. I recommend putting it in the center position to get balanced sound on your iPhone's left and right speakers. Still it's not working, then helpful solution is reset all settings. This solution sets your iPhone settings to the default option, but not erase data and media files. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General option. Again, scroll to the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on Reset and reset all settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled. Again, tap on the Reset All Settings option on the confirmation pop-up. Still your iPhone is stuck because of software glitch. Then I recommend to force restart your iPhone. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then firmly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. That's it. Check the issue is fixed or not. Sometimes this problem happens because of dust inside the speaker hole. Use a cleaning tool or brush to clean up the speaker at the top and bottom. Forcefully blow inside the speaker and clean up the dust that came over time. Now, check the issue is fixed or not. Otherwise, contact Apple support. Apple will diagnose the problem with the technical team and give a solution with free and paid repair and replacement service if your iPhone is under warranty. As you can see, you can check online using the serial number. Open the Apple Warranty Check website. The link is given in the video description. Enter the serial number and check the purchase date for the available service. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for future video update.